welcome back to my channel, Natural Roxy here. So today my hair is a bit dry, it's a bit dull and rusty, crusty, and I do have color treated hair. So I decided that I'm gonna try out the Olaplex N8 and the Olaplex N4. So the Olaplex N4 is a bond maintenance shampoo that repairs, strengthens, and neutralizes all hair types. I'm hoping that this will moisturize my hair, bring back a little bit of body, also stop the breakage. This Olaplex N8 Bond Intense Moisturizer, it smooths and add body and sheen to the hair and also bring back a little bit of luster. It does have a pump to this conditioner, and the smell is really subtle. So what I'm going to do is saturate my hair with water like I always do. I have low porosity hair, so I have to saturate my hair as possible as I can to make it, soaking wet. And that's what I do before I go in with the shampoo all the time. Have to, or the shampoo just will not lather in my hair. And I hate just going in with 2 and 3 times of shampooing, but sometimes it has to happen. So initially putting the shampoo in my hair, it felt really silky. It was soft to the texture, was really smooth on shampooing. It didn't feel drying at all at first washing, initially at the first wash. It wasn't that way, but when I was washing out my hair, I did feel my hair, it was feeling dry and heavy. And I'm not sure why that was. It's supposed to be moisturizing, but it really wasn't that moisturizing to me. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead and wash my hair a second time. And I use a significant amount, I would say maybe a quarter size or a dollar size in my hand. And it's very runny and very silky to the touch of the shampoo. So I did go ahead and shampoo my hair one more time, and this time it really lathered my hair. Like I said, the first shampoo never really lathers your hair anyway. So with this wash, I felt it was dry, guys. It was dry. It wasn't moisturizing. It just was smooth, but it made my hair feel a little stiff as I was washing it, and just that was just weird. But my hair did feel clean. Um, and it felt like it was taking away the dirt and all the products that I had in my hair all week. So that was a good thing. And yeah, the smell, I love the smell. I love the way that my hair felt, just, initially shampooing my hair at the time. So I did go ahead afterwards and made sure I thoroughly washed out the entire shampoo out of my hair because you don't want buildup on your scalp. So this is my hair after washing the shampoo out, and guys, my hair was really kind of rough texture. It wasn't smooth at all, which was weird, was really, really weird to me. I don't know if that's like it was kind of like bonding, holding in, making your hair straighten. You know what I mean? Like straightening up your strands of your hair. I don't know if that's what it was doing to the hair, I guess. So I did go ahead and use about 4 pumps of the Bond Intense Moisturizing Mask. And guys, my hair was nice and smooth. I can actually finger detangle a little bit with the shampoo, I mean, with the conditioner. And I decided to go in with a little bit more of 4 pumps just to make sure I had distribute the conditioner throughout my hair more. And I'm glad I did that because it made my hair even more moisturizing than it initially was prior to me putting on the first top of conditioner. So it made my hair really curly. It was smooth, so I decided to use a denim brush just to make sure that I was distributing the product in my hair. And guys, shrinkage is a mother. When I say shrinkage is a mother, This is not fair at all. But it is what it is. So I did use the denim brush, which I really don't do, but lately I've been trying to do that because I feel like it just makes the product go throughout my hair and sits there on top of my hair, better than just using my fingers. So this is my hair. It made it pop. It was really, really curly. I love that. So I went ahead and twist my hair in four. That's what usually I do when I do a leave-in deep conditioner, because this says you can let it sit for a little while, and that's what I did. And I went ahead and put on a shower cap, and I did what I had to do in the shower, and I think I let it sit for like a good 10 to 15 minutes in my hair. And so this is my hair after doing what I needed to do in the shower. It was even extra moisturizing, guys. If you could feel my hair and smell my hair, it was smelling good. You see, I was trying to smell it. It was smelling so nice. It felt really good, and I could rake my hands through my hair. So now I am washing out my hair with warm water and thoroughly washing out that conditioner out my hair, making sure there's no conditioner left. Because when I go in after this, I usually go in with my moisturizing leave-in conditioner and then my oils and whatever else in my hair. But I use warm water now instead of cold water because I feel like it just closes in my cuticle, my hair strands better, and I don't know, it's just been working better for me since I have this little bit of alopecia and this thinning of my hair. I know, guys, I told you I was going to dread, but I decided not to just because of the texture of my hair. But this is my hair after washing it out. My hair felt good. It had sheen. It had a little bit of body to it, and I really like it. It was good. I'm going to use the conditioner again. But for the shampoo, I'm not so sure, but I definitely will use it because I spent my coins for it. So, you guys let me know what you think about this Olaplex line, if you've ever used it, if you're going to try it out. If you did try it out, what did it do to your hair after using it for a couple of times? I know this is the first time just using it, and you need to use stuff consistently so that you can see the difference in your hair. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do and continue using it just to see if it will bring back the healthiness and the moisture back in my hair, because that's what I have been lacking a lot lately, a lot of moisture. And as always, thank you so much for watching my channel. I appreciate you guys, and thank you for my new subscribers, and thank you for my existing subscribers. Hey guys, hey girls, and I will see you in my next video. God bless, guys.
Don't deny that I could use some company.